back to 6.2 of design a roof like a pro. So as you can see, this is the plan of the building that I want to design. I want to make the roof design for. In this case, you can see that it is not regular like the first design we did. The shape is not regular, it is irregular. So the first thing as well is for us to start with the short span. And the second, the intersection of two slopes should form a ridge valley. And the projection of the plan should divide the corner of the rectangle into what? Equal parts. The third, for every projection, there must be a ridge and corresponding valley gutter at the angle. And the fourth rule is that for every recess, there must be a valley gutter. Now, let's start with the first rule. Start with the short span. As you can see, this is the short span in this case. This is another short span. Why this as well is a short, this is a short. This side is a long span. But as you can see that this projection, we are going to treat it on its own. So for that reason, we are going to treat it separately from this. Likewise, this projection is going to be treated separately. Then after that, we move to the next and this, then before the long side. So now the first thing to do is just like the first one, we sketch the way the water will drain, as you can see. So note, because we have a projection here, so there must be a ridge here. That should be of the same shootout that we have here, the same projection. If this projection is 1 meter, this is expected to be 1 meter during the construction period, during the construction phase. And also while we are doing the estimation, the calculation, the quantity of the materials needed, this, whatever the dimension of this projection is what this is expected to be. Then, as the second rule says, the intersection of two slopes should form a ridge, which is this. This is slope 1, slope 2. They are forming a ridge already. The projection of the plan should divide the corner of the rectangle into equal parts. It has been divided into equal parts already. You can see another thing, yes, this point is the middle of this rectangle. This side is the middle. This point here is the middle of the two. So it's not going to be, it shouldn't be one-sided. If this entire place is 3.6, the middle should be 1.8. So, but the distance from here to here is what will be decided. Also, for every projection, there must be a ridge and corresponding valley gutter at the angle. You can see this is a projection. We have this is our ridge, the hip ridge, and there must be a valley gutter, corresponding valley gutter that will meet this, that will link this. Now let's come back to this other short side as well. Same thing, we are going to have something like this. Then this projection that we have here has to be transferred there. Then having a valley gutter. After this now, we can now proceed to our main building. Still at the middle. Still going to consider the middle of this span, this short span. Correct. Hands on. That's what we need to do. So you will get it right. This exactly this way, just comment it correct. And don't forget, you are here to subscribe to our channel. Kindly do that. Thank you.